Who is coming up next? So, ladies and gentlemen, this is a myth busting game where you can actually do the myth buster activity. You have to bust the myth. It means that you have to take out wrong answers. Can you please make a cue?
हाँ